Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel MF Cooking. Today we are making a cheesy chicken fajita skillet. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe you will need boneless chicken breast, gold potatoes, a red pepper, a green pepper, an orange pepper, a yellow pepper, white onion, Colby Jack cheese, heavy whipping cream, butter, seasonal, cayenne pepper, black pepper, parsley flakes, sea salt, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. We're going to start by butterflying our chicken breast and season both sides of the chicken breast with seasonal, cayenne pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and parsley flakes. Next, we're going to slice 1/2 of each pepper and 1/2 of onion. Chop up 4 potatoes. Boil the potatoes for 15 minutes or until fork tender. In a skillet, add olive oil and the veggies. Season with salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. Sauté until tender. Once the potatoes are done boiling, drain the water and mash the potatoes. Add a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream and 3 tablespoons of butter. Mix well. Next, season to taste with garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. If you have white pepper, season it with white pepper instead. In a cast iron skillet, add olive oil and grill the chicken on each side for 4 to 5 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked. Once the chicken is cooked, slice the chicken. In a hot cast iron skillet, cover the bottom of the skillet with Colby Jack cheese. Allow the cheese to melt. Next, turn off the fire. Add the mashed potatoes, chicken, and fajita vegetables. And there you have it, a cheesy chicken fajita skillet. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them and Memphis be cooking.